अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम मटन खीमा का एक कॉमन सा मिक्स बनाते हैं। दिस कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर समोसास, ब्रेड रोल्स, खीमे की रोटी, बॉक्स पैटीज एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। ये एक मिक्स रह गया तो बहुत सारे स्नैक्स बना सकते हैं इसमें। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं बनाना। एक कढ़ाई में add 1 kg of washed and drained mutton keema. Saute on medium flame till dry and the keema changes color. इसमें बिल्कुल भी ऑयल नहीं पड़ता. When the keema is done, add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute well till the raw smell goes. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and keep on medium to high flame. The keema has to remain dry. Now add 1 kg of chopped onions, a handful of coriander leaves chopped, and 10 green chillies also chopped finely. Saute on high flame as the onions will also leave water and we don't want the masala to be soggy. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes and now let's add the spice powders. I have added 10 green chillies, so I am adding 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt I've already added. Saute on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now all I have to add is the juice of 1 lemon. Once everything is nicely mixed together, add lemon juice, mix well and switch off the flame. This is my go-to mix whenever I feel the need to make samosas or bread rolls or even keema roti for dinner. Do try it out. Ingredients as always in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.